Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore print-on-demand profit with Printful product mockups, full guide step-by-step clearly. To restore print-on-demand profit with Printful product mockups, follow these steps. Begin by logging into your Printful account. Navigate to the Product Templates section in your dashboard. Choose the product category you want to create mockups for. Select a specific product you wish to restore profitability for. Once the product is selected, click on the Mockups tab. Explore the various mockup options available for your chosen product. Choose high-quality mockup styles that best represent your brand. Consider lifestyle mockups to provide context for your designs. Download or save your selected mockups directly to your device. Use these mockups in your marketing materials. Update your product listings on your e-commerce platform with the new mockups. Make sure the visuals align with your overall branding. Optimize your product descriptions to highlight the unique features of your products. Implement competitive pricing strategies based on your market research. Monitor your sales analytics periodically to gauge performance. Adjust your marketing strategies based on the insights from your analytics. Continue to experiment with different mockup styles and product variations. Stay updated on Printful's new features and product offerings. Leverage social media to showcase your new mockups actively. Engage with your audience to receive feedback on your product representations. Adapt your approach based on customer preferences and trends. By following these steps, you can effectively restore print-on-demand profit using Printful product mockups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.